Most people obviously are going to live 30 plus years in retirement, but during that time, based on past averages, that person could see 5 or 6 bear markets.
Yeah, well, I mean, who knows? You could see 20,000 bear markets every single
could.
day, but you just don't know. I mean, the possibility of that happening, no, it's on average every about 5 years or so we have a bear market. Bear market is defined by 20% or more down in the market.
Yeah.
And hell, heck, we've seen it go 20% down in one day and come back, Chuck. It's a whipsaw market these days. So, again, you shouldn't have money you depend on or you're going to need in the next 10 years exposed to risk.
Yeah, you're
That's
right.
real estate, crypto, gold, silver, stock market, you name it. If you can, even bonds, by the way, if you can lose money at all, it shouldn't be there. So you need to have some money in a safe place. We call it the core account. Once you get your core funded with plenty of income, again, you've got that extended warranty, your lifetime income in there, and then you have extra money. Say, Coach, I've got plenty of income now. We've anticipated me getting 30% more income than I ever needed. Where can I put this leftover money now that I don't need to have for income? Where can I put this at the maximum risk possible so that I have a chance of a really, really, really good return if the market goes up? And if the market goes down, I don't have to liquidate. I can wait for the market to come back in this account. See, that's the beauty of having a core account, is it enables you to take your time in the risk account. If you need the money for rent tomorrow or to pay a long-term care facility and it's in the stock market, you have to liquidate tomorrow no matter where the market is. Here, because you have your core account, you liquidate your stock account whenever it's up, not when it's down. Thomas, it makes a lot of sense to me. And if you have a stock that's down forever, you liquidate that and you liquidate one that has a gain and you balance each other out and you pay no tax on your gain. See, it's all about tax planning, financial planning, retirement planning. It all gives you confidence. And the main thing is income planning. You need a strategy consultation right now to solve for income based on what you have put aside right now. What kind of income could you already get if you didn't add any new money to this? This is what people love to see. So it's like the magic 8 ball. You shake it and we'll tell you how much income you're going to be guaranteed to get if you get that financial extended warranty program put up today. You and your family could benefit all the way through your life.